Sorry about that. So this is our right side middle top, and this is our right side top. Okay, cool. Now I'm just a little bit worried about this neckline, so once again I'm just gonna fold this up. Let's just try and fold, because looking at it, it's giving me a V when I don't want a V. And give me a sec. Okay, I've gone ahead and placed the paper underneath here because I realized that the neckline is a bit too deep for my liking. So here's what I'm going to do. Just gonna place this paper over here like this, another one over here, and another one over here. Then I'm going to go ahead and refold halfway. So that becomes, so now I want a new neckline, one that isn't as deep as my current neckline. So I'm gonna go up by, let me use my ruler. I want to go up by, I think maybe 2 centimeters. Would that be too deep? Let's see. I think 2 centimeters will work. Not quite certain. Then remember, just draw out 1 centimeter straight line, and then there we go. This becomes our new neckline. Okay, let me see when I cut it out. I hope I'm not messing this pattern up, but we gotta improvise, serve enterprise. There we have it. Oh, this looks slightly better. So this becomes our new pattern. Okay, so now we're gonna cut our pattern. And remember guys, whenever you're constructing a pattern, I don't have seam allowance, but you're more than welcome to retrace this and actually create a seam allowance for yourself. Okay, I have paper underneath here that I didn't acknowledge. Why am I even doing this? Let me just cut this here. Okay, and there we have it. Just gonna cut it all the way up, then cut this. You're more than welcome to retrace this and add a 1 centimeter seam allowance, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna cut directly on my fabric, and yeah, because I'm awesome like that. Okay, there we have it, our final piece. So this is how your pattern is going to end up looking like. So now you know these are all your pieces. So you see, there we go. Ta-da! And then you have a full back. Yeah, that's our pattern, everybody. Thank you. I'm going to see you guys in the sewing tutorial.